Hello everybody, today I want to show you a successful IMEI repaired Samsung S22 Ultra, S23 sorry, Samsung S23. It was 000, we call it null IMEI or demo, but the phone has been repaired successfully by us here in Danysonic. So if you have a similar case, don't don't forget to DM us via the WhatsApp contact under this video link. Send us a DM, then show us the software information of the phone and the current state of the phone. Just show us a picture of the software information, then we will carry the possibility of unlocking and the price for unlocking. It is done by USB cable remotely via a good network. Even if the phone does not factory reset or do anything like here, the phone cannot factory reset, cannot hard reset, nothing. You cannot even turn on the flight mode in the phone. So we can fix it and it will be okay, 100% done. So this one has been fixed already and the client is very happy about it. The phone is working 100% now and it is totally unlocked from any carrier it is coming from. So please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, thank you for choosing Danysonic. Have a wonderful day.